Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to new video. Story called some sunny. I have one special guest today. You know about him very well because he is a content creator, and I'm also actually we are every day we meet and we try to make video for our audience. So Limon, so first of all I want to say how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine and dandy, and I'm over the moon to talk to you.
Okay, so what we have done today, can you explain it, and what is your feeling after doing something?
Before before 10 minutes we have eaten mango, and it was an incredible recipe. We made it, and we are three friends. We have made it this recipe, and after that we have eaten the recipe that is mango. What is the name of this recipes?
Okay, I don't
forget
know.
it about
yeah, I
it.
forgot it, but
We have made it by mango as well as like honey, like this type of things.
yeah,
by
we have made like honey's thing.
Yeah.
By sugar and by sugar and red chili and salt. We have made something and we have it by this thing. So
Okay.
I want to ask you that after eating, what's your feeling?
Oh, at this moment, I'm getting pain in my lip because I have eaten so chili. So that's why many chili I have eaten. So that's why my feeling is good, but I'm feeling pain.
Okay,
So that
I
is the
got it.
things.
But you know that instead of me, in my side, actually, I didn't feel any kinds of fire thing or something like that. It was a sweet, I can say, but I don't know what is the problem on your lip. Okay,
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter about it. So we have come here and we are making this video actually for practicing purpose. So Limon, actually I don't have any what to say and ask any kinds of things. So Limon,
my God.
okay,
Okay.
I want to ask you one thing that what's your preparation about learning English, or what you do day by day for your better speaking English?
What I'm doing for improving myself
Yeah.
day by day. Oh, it's a great question. Thank you for asking me. Incredible question, and now I'm going to explain this answer. And first of all, we have to set clear goals. That is, I have to learn English language. Otherwise, it's not possible. There is a things I have taken one action. That is, I have to learn English language, and by keeping this sentence, I'm just following this sentence. That is, I have to learn English language, and every day I try to listen at least 1 hour English podcast or English vlog videos. Any blog videos, it might be American accent, it might be a British accent,
It
or
might be our video.
yeah, our video. And there are lots of English channels are available on YouTube, on Facebook. I'm just listening them, and at this moment I'm reading one book. It's about Saiful Sir's English therapist book, book number 1. This book I'm reading for improving myself, as well as I'm doing one course from English Message, and they are providing their best to teach people, and it's a really great institution at Jodhpur.
Okay.
So that is the things, and nowadays I'm preparing for my HSC, because I'm a HSC candidate. After 3 months I want to give my HSC exam. So
Okay,
that
that means after 3 months it will be held your HSC exam.
Yeah.
Okay, pray for him, guys. Those who are watching this video, I'm also pray for you that you will do an incredible job for your exam. Okay, so
thank you very much.
okay, so no need to make long this video. So
Okay.
thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Assalamualaikum.